National 5 2014, Paper 2, Question 10. We're going to go to a geometry page and we're going to see if we can construct this diagram by a scale drawing. This won't get any marks in the exam, but it will be allow you to check any answers you get. So if I do menu, points and lines, and I choose ray. Now I'm going to draw on the north line coming from A first. If I hold down the shift key as I'm doing this, then it will snap to an invisible grid. So if I click on that, and then when I go upwards, it also snaps to nice vertical. So it's going to be very useful if I can start off with a nice vertical line going straight up. Now, first thing I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to measure the angle of 60 degrees. And the way to do that is to rotate this ray round by 60 degrees. But the way we rotate it is anti-clockwise, so we're going to have to type in negative 60 degrees. So if I do menu, transformation, rotation, and I do a point, the object, and if I now type in negative 60, that angle in there is a 60-degree angle, and then we'll press escape. Now I've got to go 8 kilometers along this line. It's not entirely clear where 8 kilometers are, but what I can do is I could do menu, shapes, and then circle. I'll pick a point there, and if I just type in the number 8, that is a circle of radius 8, and that point there will be the point B. I'm going to have to work out where the point C is as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep track of things by labeling points. So I'll do menu, points and lines. Menu, points and lines, point. Click on the intersection point, and as soon as I've clicked on it, I'll type B as well, and then I'll press escape. That circle has served its purpose, so I'll just go over it, press Control Menu, and hide it. Okay, I'm just going to move the whole diagram up again. That hasn't changed the direction of the north line. Now, to get the position of C, I'm going to have to draw a circle of radius 13 from C, and then a circle of radius 11 from B. So let's just do those two things. So circle, center there, and I'll just type in 13, and then a circle there, scale it out, type 11, and where these intersection points are, that point there, that's the point C. So what I think I'd like to do now is draw a triangle in there, and I'll label that point C as an outcome. But I think what I have to do is mark that intersection point first of all, so I can pick it up later. I suppose at this point I could hide the circles, press Control Menu to hide, press Control Menu to hide, and now let's draw in menu, shape, triangle from B down to C. Let's just click C there, and then to A, and we're done. Alright, so that ray there, we can also hide that as well. That served its purpose. I now have a perfect scale drawing. Now it's looking for the angle of ABC. So there's A, there's B, and there's C down there. So it's measurement of angle. I'll click A, and then B, and then C. And it looks as though the angle should be 84.8 degrees. The shaded angle is going to be the angle from the north line. So I need to draw a line parallel to that ray through the point B, and then measure the angle around. So if I do menu, construct a parallel line parallel to that ray through that point, and then press escape. What I can also do, let's just move that angle around there, is I can do menu, measurement of the angle from somewhere on the north line through B down to point C, and press escape. It says 155, but I bet there's a little bit more accuracy. If I go over it and press the addition key, I get to see a few more details. 155.2. If you were talking bearings, a 3-figure bearing, the 3-figure bearing of point C, therefore, is 155. We're done.